Paragraph writing on Independence Day. My country, which is called the oldest civilization and the Golden Bird, also became a victim of slavery. When the British came to India, it was for the purpose of doing business. But gradually they caught the independent India in the chain of slavery with diplomacy. Indians were oppressed by imposing many taxes on them. Many Indians came forward to put an end to the British rule, who did many bold things for the independence of India. Many heroes laid down their lives for Mother India. Due to the efforts of these great heroes, on 15 August 1947, our country got freedom from the British rulers. That's why this day is celebrated as Independence Day. Tributes are paid to all the great men and martyrs on this day. On this day, the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, unfurled the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. Independence Day is one of the three national festivals of India. That's why this day has been declared as a national holiday. On this day, the national flag is hoisted and the national anthem is sung in the Red Fort of Delhi. After hoisting the flag, the Prime Minister of the country addresses the nation. On this day, flag hoisting and cultural functions are organized in all schools, colleges, government and non-government institutions. Everyone listens to patriotic songs. Students also participate in patriotic programs like speech, essay, poem, patriotic song, etc. Independence Day is celebrated all over India with utmost enthusiasm, dedication and patriotism. We have got this day only because of the effort of many great heroes like Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi, etc. We should always remember them and be proud of our country and these heroes. We should never forget their efforts. Like these, one should always step up for the progress and honor of our country. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe.